Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide like and view counts on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. The like count on post can be hidden or revealed from all the users on Instagram. This entails that a few users are listed along with the word "and others," rather than the usual numeric value that is often displayed beneath a photo. On Instagram, hiding your like count is simple, reversible, and in some situations, it might enhance how you use the app. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Settings. On Settings page, tap Privacy. Tap on Post. At Likes and Views, move the toggle bar to right of Hide Likes. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to hide like and view counts on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.